Morning traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. Before we get into charts, just quickly on the small account, we are at 12,109, so that was a reasonably respectable 5.67% return, but it was actually a disastrous day. I was up close to 17% at one stage and then made some really stupid decisions. In South Africa, we call it getting windgat, which basically just means trying to stroke my ego. And we promptly lost a good 10% of the gains, which was rather frustrating and annoying. But that's what happens when you don't adhere to your own plan. And it's always good to get a good knock once in a while. Anyway, I'm actually glad that I didn't lose all of it, because then I would have really been annoyed. Okay, right now, the daily. So we've had 3 pin bars in a row. Okay, pin bar, and that's a pin bar as well. So this is normally, those of you who watch me often, I always have a strategy of third time lucky, unlucky. You can see here 1, 2, 3, that's third time unlucky. And this is 1, 2, 3, is this also third time unlucky? Okay, also a bit of a flag forming here, but I think we'll see that on the lower time frames a lot better. Not just a flag forming, it's a flag break. There's my flag break at the moment. There's the top of the flag there. Okay, so, and it does come back a lot further. A little bit messy, but that's kind of the view. So I think this does look like it's rolling. I do want to see a break of some structure. And right now, the only structure that we have on offer is, let's just get rid of that flag. Only structure we have on offer is this one here, which is this mess of last night. Okay, so that's the only structure we have at the moment. Trend is still up, so we want to see a break of that and a retest of that to get the confirmation. So at this stage, this is really messy, and yesterday was frustrating, really was frustrating. And this flipping bar here was my last loss. Got stopped out just over here after taking a break of this line here. Anyway, in the past. So really messy yesterday. We did get a break below the alligator and a retest, and now we're down at the moment. So I'd like to see a move back into this area, which is 28,320 area, and then see what happens there. If we do get a rejection like this, and I'll take it off a lower time frame. So you see there's a rejection bar there. So I get another rejection bar like that, then short it is on the shorter time frames, just looking for a break of the structure. And that target will not be massive. It's 76 points to the downside. And you'll probably find that 76 points takes me to fairly close. You'll probably find that we're going to get some action around, confirm this, yep, you're going to get some action around this tail here. So that will be 28,223, and the action is going to be, this was a range for a day and a bit. We drop down and form a bigger range, and then we start getting a bit more volatile and trading that. And that's kind of what I'm expecting. I think we're just going to muck around between these two levels here. So 28,365, and to the downside 28,223. Okay, I don't think there's anything else on the 12-minute at the moment. So low time frames, we are shortish. We're going to need to break above this fractal here to get the highs, but then I really suspect 28,365 will hold us up. It's also possible that this range continues, that this area holds. Okay, so you're going to have to just keep your wits about you. Don't try, I mean, it's very difficult to trade. If you look at the alligator here, this mess here, as soon as you see this kind of stuff in and above the alligator, below the alligator, and the alligator is going flat, going to sleep, it's not worth trading. You want to see it looking like this. So this is a reasonable setup, but you need to wait for Europe Open to see what happens. So if it stays like this, there's definitely some shorts on offer, but don't expect it to go far. I think 28,223 is the area. If we just look at the Ichimoku, yesterday there's nothing. That barbed wire, another example of when you don't trade the charts, when it looks like that. Okay, this morning is looking a little bit better. We've rejected the cloud. We are bearish. We are flat at the moment, to be expected. Oscillators grouping to overbought territory, which is also good. So what we're looking for is a retest up here for a break. Okay, 30 minutes. We've had the crossover. We are bearish with bottom of cloud. Just want to see a bit of a pullback and then look for that short. The hour is also a bearish cross and through price on the cloud. So 2 signals out of 3, which is bearish. So still mixed signals. And the 4-hour is still very much to the upside. Get rid of this noise here. Okay, and here you can see triple top flag. I was looking at this as a flat top triangle, but I think that opportunity is gone now. So yeah, I think, obviously we do have this level here, which is what we're flirting with right now. So if that does break, there's your next level there. Okay, which lines up at the bottom of this area here. So, and that's a fairly strong level. You've got quite a few touches there. So, and Keachinson's there. So, that's kind of what I'm expecting. I'm expecting us to move down, form a wider range, and then it'll be long off at 28,206. Okay, the daily trend is still up. No reason to be panicking just yet, apart from price action, and you want to see a pullback. Okay, so we can get the pullback to this level. All the better. If that gives way, then you're looking for a pullback back to 28,041. Okay, that's kind of my view at the moment. I suspect we're going to get the pullback today or this morning. But you don't want to take it from down here. You want to take it from higher up. Even if it gets all the way back to the top here, you want to be short off the top. Okay, treat this as a range. You could be looking for longs at the moment with a stop below this level here. But I'd rather just wait for the move back to the upside and then look for it. Okay, if it does do this again, get out of it. Go have a beer. Don't even worry about this kind of crap, because this just gets you hurt. Okay, anyway guys, hope that helps, hope it makes sense, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.